is a snoring Shih Tzu. More louder than a human being. More louder than an ass that farts. Yes, it is. Lucky. Snoring on my daughter's birthday. Look at this guy. He's snoring. Why don't we make a song out of this? What does an old door do, do, do? What does an old floor do, do, do? What sounds like an ass that farts? And what does sound like a boat that... And it sounds like an old